नवोदय क्रांति में आपका स्वागत है। आइए देखते हैं नवोदय क्रांति परिवार भारत द्वारा संचालित ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।
Hi everyone, look at this picture. There are so many things. Let us learn about comparison of numbers with the help of these things. What do you mean by a number greater than? As we count forward, the number value increases. Like 9 is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now look at this. In plate 1, there are 4 bowls, and in plate 2, there are 2 bowls. Are there more bowls in plate 1 or more in plate 2? There are more bowls in plate 1, which are 4. So, number 4 is greater than number 2. Now look at these bangles. Plate 2 is having 3 bangles and plate 1 is having 1 bangle. Are the number of bangles more in plate 2 or more in plate 1? Plate 2 is having more bangles, so 3 is greater than 1. We use this sign to show greater or lesser numbers. It looks like the letter V on its side. The open side of the sign always points towards the greater number, and the closed side of the sign always points towards the smaller number. Let's learn how to use this sign. Look at these plates. Plate 1 is having 9 nail pins and plate 2 is having 6 nail pins. Can you tell me which plate is having more number of nail pins? Plate 1. So, we will put the sign like this. 9 is greater than 6. Now look at this. 1 is less than 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Look at these earrings. Plate 1 is having 2 earrings and plate 2 is having 6 earrings. Can you tell me which plate is having greater number of earrings? Plate 2, because it is having 6 earrings. So, we will use the sign like this. 2 is less than 6. Now look at this and tell me which plate is having less number of candies. Right, plate 1 is having less number. So we will use the sign like this. 5 is less than 8. The closed side of the sign is pointing towards the smaller number. Now look at this. Can you tell me which plate is having the greater number of markers? Right, 4 is greater than 3. Let's learn about equal to. Look at both the plates. There are 3 paintbrushes in plate 1 and 3 paintbrushes in plate number 2. Are they both having equal number of paintbrushes? So we will use the sign of equal to show that both the plates are having equal number of paintbrushes. Now look at this. There are 2 fishes in plate 1 and 2 fishes in plate 2. Again both are equal. Now collect some things from your home and practice it.